Hi guys, Khush Ahmedeed, welcome back. So today we are going to do some of the small talks and conversational sentences plus handling invitations. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So whenever we start a conversation, we start at how was your day? We ask them about their day. So in Urdu here, your will become aapka. Your is aapka. Day becomes din. Day is din. आपका दिन how कैसा how कैसा गुजरा कैसा गुजरा how was your day आपका दिन कैसा गुजरा आपका दिन कैसा गुजरा very good now but it was good or bad now you're telling them you're answering them so here we will say मेरा दिन my day मेरा दिन अच्छा अच्छा is for good अच्छा गुजरा my day was good मेरा दिन अच्छा गुजरा now गुजरा is showing that obviously the day has already passed so you are talking about your day like my day was good मेरा दिन अच्छा गुजरा for bad it's a word मेरा दिन बुरा गुजरा बुरा not bura it's buda मेरा दिन बुरा गुजरा and if you have to say like ठीक like okay neutral it would be मेरा दिन ठीक गुजरा ठीक गुजरा okay मेरा दिन ठीक गुजरा very good now do you miss me or did you miss me क्या Kya is here showing about like whenever we start asking some question, we started with kya. Aapne. Now here you become aapne. Kya aapne. Me would become mujhe. क्या आपने मुझे मिस याद यस वेरी गुड मिसेस याद क्या आपने मुझे याद किया डिड यू मिस मी क्या आपने मुझे याद किया now remember kiya is like a helping verb in urdu there are a lot of words that come together like काम कर and याद किया याद कर so it's like a helping verb did you miss me like did is showing that you are asking a question you is for आपने me is मुझे here when it's come between the sentence it's मुझे याद is miss किया is like a helping verb okay so क्या आपने मुझे याद किया now you are asking you are like answering them I missed you a lot now it would be मैंने आपको okay here it's मैंने आपको बहुत a lot is बहुत miss याद किया now here it become याद किया मैंने आपको बहुत याद किया same the helping verb is coming with it मैंने आपको बहुत याद किया okay very good now let's see another sentence it's did you eat dinner or lunch you are asking them like did they done their dinner so now let me tell you one thing in Urdu language we don't make anything specific or a specific word for lunch or dinner every time we say khana but for the brunch or for the morning lunch we call it nashta but here let me tell you we use a specific word that is khana and it would be Okay, if you use it. Did you eat dinner? Now, did is क्या, you is आपने, eat is खाना, right? Oh, sorry, eat is खा, eat is खा. क्या आपने खाना खाया? Here it would become खाना, खाना, and eat is खा. So here it would be खाया. क्या आपने खाना खाया? Okay, the sentence would be changed like, did you eat dinner? क्या आपने, eat is खा. So here we have add a ya with it. खाया. क्या आपने खाना खाया? खाना can be go for lunch, dinner, or the brunch, anything. क्या आपने खाना खाया? How is your family? Now, family is usually for family we use another word, but here we will say घर पर. घर पर is something we usually use, yeah, we commonly use this sentence a lot. We don't ask about the family, we say घर पर. Obviously it automatically goes to every member in the family na. So we say घर पर सब कैसे हैं. घर पर mean people at your home. Okay, so how are people at your home? घर पर सब is like everyone. घर पर is like on your home. How is everyone? घर पर सब कैसे हैं? How is like कैसे हैं? And you can see here that there's an addition of n with है. As you know that we are talking about more than one people here. So that's why the sentence end with है. Little n sound. Noon gunna n sound. Okay. घर पर सब कैसे हैं? I enjoyed coming here. Now, you visit someone home and now you have to, compliment them that I enjoyed coming here. You spend a good time there. So, you will start with मुझे, not मैं, मुझे. मुझे यहाँ, here would be यहाँ. मुझे यहाँ आना. आना is like come. For come we use the word आ, but here it would be आना. मुझे यहाँ आना. Enjoyed is for enjoy we usually use another word, but here it would be अच्छा. We commonly use अच्छा. Like it shows joy, good, okay. So मुझे यहाँ आना अच्छा लगा. Laga is now also like a helping verb. Laga is like a feeling we usually have. अच्छा लगना. Like you got a feeling that you enjoyed there. Okay, so laga, lag is like a feeling. So it's मुझे यहाँ आना अच्छा लगा. How old are you? Now, you is आप. कितने is like how. How old? कितने साल? How old? Saal is old. Saal is usually used for year, but we ask it like this. आप कितने साल के हो? How old are you? Ke is now also like a helping verb. साल के. आप कितने साल के हो? Okay. How old are you? आप कितने साल के हो? I am 22. Like for me, I'm 22, so I'll fit it up according to me. मैं 22 years की हूँ. Okay, I'll say it like this. Not मैं 22 साल की हूँ. Like you can also say 22 साल, but 22 years would be fine. People will get the idea. So मैं 22 साल की हूँ. I'm a girl, so I'll say की. If you're a boy, you will say मैं 22 साल या year का हूँ. मैं 22 years का हूँ. मैं 22 years की हूँ. Okay, got the point? Now, do you know how to speak English? Do, क्या? You would become आपको. English, अंग्रेजी. अंग्रेजी. क्या आपको अंग्रेजी You can also use the word English. People will get the idea. Okay. Because most of the time we don't use this word Angrezi. We say English people and all. So, do you know, like, क्या आपको अंग्रेजी? Now, speak is बोल. So, here it would be बोलने. क्या आपको अंग्रेजी बोलनी आती है? How to आती है? क्या आपको अंग्रेजी बोलनी आती है? Like you can say you are trying to do a conversation with someone and you couldn't get their point what they are saying. So you can ask them, क्या आपको अंग्रेजी बोलनी आती है? If they know how to say it, obviously they'll say yes, हाँ आती है. They'll then start communicate with you in English and it would be helpful for you. So give a little focus in this sentence. Like, do you know how to speak English? क्या आपको अंग्रेजी बोलनी आती है? Now, let's do a little practice. How was your day? Now, how was your day? I missed you a lot. How's people at your home? How old are you? Refocus, try to memorize the sentences. Yes. Now take a little screenshot of here and memorize these. If you got all right, then it's a star for you. Otherwise, you can take the screenshot and then revise them up. Okay. So without wasting any time, let's go further. Now here we are going to handling the invitations. How we can do that is, you have to come to my house. Okay, now let's say someone is giving you an invitation. They're inviting you at your house. They'll say it like this: you have to come to my house. Or you are giving them the invitation. You like those people and you are inviting them now. So you'll say आपको, you is आपको, you have आपको, मेरे घर, my home. मेरे घर is my home or my house. आपको मेरे घर. Come is आना. आपको मेरे घर आना है. Now see, in this sentence we don't say मेरा घर or मेरी घर. It would be मेरे घर. Otherwise, if you have to say that this is my home, you say ये मेरा घर है. But here in this sentence, you will say आपको मेरे घर आना है. Okay? आपको मेरे घर आना है. आना is like come. You have to come to my house. आपको मेरे घर आना है. Very good. Now, we invite you. So remember, for invite, we use this word dawat. Dawat. It's an Urdu word, dawat. We is हम. हम. You is आपको. हम आपको. Invite is दावत. दावत देते. Now you are giving them the invitation. So देते is also like a helping verb. हम आपको दावत देते हैं. We are ending this sentence with a N because the invitation is given by we. If I say that I invite you, so the sentence would be like this: मैं आपको दावत देती हूँ. Like I'm a girl, so I'll say मैं आपको दावत देती हूँ. If you are a boy, you will say मैं आपको दावत देता हूँ. But here, the sentence is हम आपको दावत देते हैं. Okay, we invite you. हम आपको दावत देते हैं. Okay, so that's why the sentence is ending with hum, hai, a little n. Because two people are or more than two people are giving the invitation. So it would be हम आपको दावत देते हैं. If like here in this sentence it's Ali invite you or Jack invite you, let's say. So it would be Jack आपको दावत देता है. If the sentence is Charlotte invite you, then it would be Charlotte आपको दावत देती है. We don't add the n at the end. I hope that you all are getting my point, because it's a plural situation, na? So that's why it's an n at the end. Now, I'm sorry, but I cannot come. Now you have to someone is very good person, and you have to politely refuse them that you can't come to this dawat, or at this place you can't go, you can't accept their invitation. So you have to like politely refuse them. So you will say, I am sorry, मुझे अफसोस है, लेकिन, but is लेकिन, but is लेकिन, I cannot come, मैं नहीं, cannot here would be नहीं, मैं नहीं आ for come, आ सकती. ओके, मुझे अफसोस है लेकिन मैं नहीं आ सकती. इफ यू आर अ बॉय यू विल से मुझे अफसोस है लेकिन मैं नहीं आ सकता. सकता इज फॉर अ बॉय, सकती इज फॉर अ गर्ल. Okay, afsos here is used as you are showing sadness, grief. Like, I want to come, but I cannot come. You know, any situation can happen. You're showing them the sadness. मुझे अफसोस है लेकिन मैं नहीं आ सकता और सकती. No. Thank you for the invitation. They have given you the invite, and you accept it or reject it, but at the end you have to say that, like, thank you for the invitation otherwise. So you will say it like this: shukriya. You know that thank you is shukriya. For the invitation, दावत के लिए. शुक्रिया दावत के लिए. For the invitation, दावत के लिए. Very good. Now, I'll definitely come. You like those people and you want to go there. Now you'll say, I'll definitely come. So you will use this word, मैं ज़रूर. Definitely is for ज़रूर. Definitely is ज़रूर. मैं ज़रूर. If you're a boy, you will say आऊँगा. Like A is for come na. So here it would be आऊँगा. Or for a girl, it would be आऊँगी. मैं ज़रूर आऊँगी और मैं ज़रूर आऊँगा. Boy will say ga, girl will say गी. मैं ज़रूर आऊँगी, मैं ज़रूर आऊँगा. Very good. Now practice it. You have 10 seconds to memorize these sentences, and I hope that you got all right. I hope that you got the all right, and if you got them, then it's good for you this time. Like, remember, मुझे अफसोस है लेकिन मैं नहीं आ सकती. हम आपको दावत देते हैं, मैं ज़रूर आऊँगी, मैं ज़रूर आऊँगा. Simple. Now let's review. आपका दिन कैसा गुजरा? How was your day? आपका दिन कैसा गुजरा? Now you are answering them. मेरा दिन अच्छा गुजरा. I have a good day. मेरा दिन अच्छा गुजरा. Let's say I have a bad day. I'll say मेरा दिन बुरा गुजरा. Okay. Did you miss me? क्या आपने मुझे याद किया? Did you miss me? क्या आपने मुझे याद किया? मैंने आपको बहुत याद किया. I missed you a lot. मैंने आपको बहुत याद किया. You are exaggerating that you miss them a lot. Now, did you eat? Now you are showing them that you care about them. Did you eat? क्या आपने खाना खाया? क्या आपने खाना खाया? If they answer you yes, they'll say हाँ मैंने खाना खाया. If they answer you no, they'll say नहीं मैंने नहीं खाया. Okay. So after that it's how is your family or how are the people at your home? It would be घर पर सब कैसे हैं? घर पर सब कैसे हैं? I am 22 years old. मैं 22 years का हूँ. मैं 22 years की हूँ. Anything. If you're a boy, it's ki. If you're a girl, if you're a boy, it's ka. If you're a girl, it's ki. You know that. Did you know how to speak English? क्या आपको अंग्रेजी बोलनी आती है? Here you can see that I have made a mistake. It should be क्या आपको अंग्रेजी बोलनी आती है. It's not आपको अंग्रेजी बोलनी आती है. Actually, you can also like ask them like this. आपको अंग्रेजी बोलनी आती है. But right now you are not like completely, fluent to the language. People will not understand the word. So you have to say that क्या आपको अंग्रेजी बोलनी आती है. Now, how old are you? I think we have done it in the previous lecture too. How old are you? आप कितने साल के हो? You are asking someone, how old are you? आप कितने साल के हो? I enjoyed coming here. मुझे यहाँ आना अच्छा लगा. मुझे यहाँ आना अच्छा लगा. Thanks for the invitation. शुक्रिया दावत के लिए. शुक्रिया दावत के लिए. We are inviting you. हम आपको दावत देते हैं. हम आपको दावत देते हैं. I am inviting you. मैं आपको दावत देती हूँ. Okay? Girl will say देती हूँ. Boy will say देता हूँ. मैं आपको दावत देता हूँ. Girl will say मैं आपको दावत देती हूँ. Okay. You have to come at my home. आपको मेरे घर आना है. आपको मेरे घर आना है. Here it should be two A's. आना. Okay? Not अन्ना. Remember that. आपको मेरे घर आना है. I'll definitely come. मैं जरूर आऊंगी. मैं जरूर आऊंगा. Boy will say आऊंगा. Girl will say आऊंगी. I'm sorry but I cannot come. मुझे अफसोस है. I'm sorry. मुझे अफसोस है. लेकिन लेकिन मैं नहीं. I cannot come. मैं नहीं आ सकती और मैं नहीं आ सकता. आ सकता is for boy. आ सकती is for girl. मुझे अफसोस है लेकिन मैं नहीं आ सकती. So I hope that you understand the today's lecture. I know these are some of the complex words and sentences. But once you have got a grip on the sentence structuring, these all would become easy for you. Okay. So inshallah we'll meet in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz. Alvida. Bye bye.